Welcome to our interactive Q&A with house cleaning experts. Today, we'll address common questions and provide valuable insights into the industry. First, let's discuss common mistakes when hiring house cleaners. Mistake number 1, not checking for insurance and bonding. Always ask for proof. Mistake number 2, not reading reviews or asking for references. Research online and ask for past client references. Mistake number 3, not clarifying what services are included in the price. Get a detailed list beforehand. Mistake number 4, not setting clear expectations. Communicate your requirements clearly. Mistake number 5, hiring based solely on price. Consider the quality of service and reputation. Now, onto your questions. How much do services cost? Prices vary. Contact us for a free quote. Do we bring our own supplies? Yes, unless you prefer specific products. Are our cleaners background checked? Absolutely. Do we offer eco-friendly products? Yes, upon request. Thank you for considering Surprise House Cleaners for your cleaning needs. We look forward to serving you.